Nash Community College offers current students, alumni, and community members access to the NCC Career Center right here on campus, located in the A building, with appointments being in person, by phone, or virtually. The NCC Career Center helps with organizing your resume, job placement and searches, and interview tips. Current students enrolled at NCC have additional services like having access to internships and career planning inventories. The Career Center additionally hosts 2 career fairs a year that's open to students, alumni, and community members to help everyone find more career options through local partnerships. Also, a part of the Career Center, NCC utilizes College Central Network Services, which is a search engine that allows NCC students, alumni, and community members to explore employment opportunities and so much more. For more information about the NCC Career Center or to make an appointment, go to nashcc.edu or call 252-428-7361.